Hey guys, so we have come to clap number 4 of percentage. Okay, it's a very interesting one, and of all the claps in percentage, this is the most important one. So you have to listen this concept very carefully. Please listen. 3%. 3% means 3%. Okay, this is called percentage. 3%. So I can say 3 for every 100. 3%. Similarly, 100% means 100 by 100. Which is nothing but 1 by 1. Are you clear with this? So the particular percentage, I am writing it as fraction. This percentage fraction conversion, you must be crystal clear for some values, and that is what this clap is about. Okay, so if I say 1 by 1, I can say 100%. So if I say 2 by 1, multiplying into 2, 2 by 1 means 200%. Like this it goes on. Okay, so 1 by 1 is 100%. What about 1 by 2? Half means 50%. What about 1 by 3? 1 by 3 is nothing but 100 by 3. 100 by 3 means 33.33%. Like this it goes on. So for your competitive exam preparation, you have to be very clear with 1 by 1 to 1 by 15 conversion. Okay, all these values should be in your fingertip. So calculate all these values in your notebook, and please learn this in both ways. If I ask you the percentage value, you must be able to say the fraction value. If I ask you the fraction value, you must be able to say the percentage value. If I ask you 1 by 8, you must be able to say 12.5%. If I ask you, say for example, 9.09%, you must be able to say 1 by 11 instantly. Okay, look at the values now. Have a look at all these values quickly, and you have to write it, calculate it, and just memorize all the values. Okay, and memorizing is very simple. What is 1 by 6? 1 by 6 is 16.66%, right? What is 1 by 12? 1 by 12 is half of 1 by 6. Do you all agree? So what is half of 16.66%? Nothing but 8.33. Similarly, 1 by 7, half of 1 by 7 is 1 by 14. So 14.28, half of 14.28 is exactly 7.14%. Clear? And 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9% if you write in terms of mixed fraction. Similarly, 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11%, exactly the ulta, inverse. 11.11%, this is 9.09%. Okay, keep all these values in mind, memorize this. You must be very clear with all these values. I will show you some examples how this will be used. Look at this one. Jaisha goes to a Bata showroom to buy a footwear whose price is marked at rupees 999. She noticed that a discount sale of 66.66% is given, and she uses it. Okay, for how much price did she get the footwear? So 999 is the price and the discount is 66.66%. So immediately once I see this value, my mind strikes for 33.33%. 33.33% means 1 by 3. So if it is 66.66%, it is going to be 2 by 3 into 2, because 33.33 into 2 is this one. So 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3. So you must be able to know the multiples also with that conversion. So 2 by 3. So in this entire price, 2 by 3 is discounted. If 2 by 3 is discounted, remaining is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 of 999 is nothing but 333. So for 333, she will buy that footwear and come. Am I clear with this concept, my dear friends? One more example for you. The price of a gadget is 70,000. If the shopkeeper provides a discount of 28.57%, 28.57, for this value, my mind strikes with 14.28. You must be able to switch between the values quickly. 14.28 is 1 by 7. So if it is going to be 28.57%, it is going to be 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 of 70,000 is the discount. Okay, what is this then? 20,000. So in 70,000, 20,000 is discounted, means remaining price is 50,000. So the gadget's price is 50,000. So I hope this concept is clear. Percentage to fraction conversion, you must be very clear. Okay, thank you.